Halloween painting with pom-poms. Let's paint a bat for spooky Halloween art. Let's start a painting. Look guys, now the magic is going to happen. Look guys, this is my spooky Halloween bat. Now let's take the eyes off the bat. This is my awesome cool bat. You can try this at home too, like me. Hey guys, I'm Tiger. Today we are going to do magnet painting. And now we are going to paint our pumpkin today. For this we need a sheet of paper, some paint, a magnet and a hairpin. Let's pour some paint on the pumpkin. Now I'm going to put the hairpin on the sheet. And take this magnet behind the sheet. Now see the magic of my magnet. Now let's color the stem. Now I'm using brown color. Tada! My pumpkin painting is ready. It was so fun guys. Keep watching my videos. Do like and subscribe. Tiger and Major. Happy fall guys! This is my spooky Halloween art. Hey guys, I'm Tiger. Today we are going to do salt painting. I'm sure it will be super fun. Let's start. We are going to use paper, glue, salt, paintbrush and paint. I'll put some glue on the paper. To put this salt on the glue paper. stick with the orange color. Now I'm using blue color. Look guys, how magical it is. My spider web is ready, guys. Look! This is my spooky Halloween art. Look, guys, my scary spiders are crawling. Oh no, the big spider is approaching the small spiders. I want to eat. I want to eat little spiders. I hope you like my Halloween salt painting. Spooky art. Keep watching my videos, Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Hey guys, I am Tiger. Today we are going to do Halloween craft. I'm going to do pumpkin and Major will do Scarecrow. Today Major has joined us for the first time. Let's stick the pom-poms on the paper plate. This is a fun Halloween craft. Let's stick the eyes now. Let's stick the stems now. This is the smiley face. I'll stick it, guys. I'm sticking the mouth now.
This is a nice scarecrow by Major. Good job, Major. I like this pumpkin too by Tiger. Good job, Tiger.
Thank you. My pumpkin craft is ready. Major's Scarecrow is done too. happy fall, everyone, and happy Halloween. Keep watching our videos, Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Grow with Tiger and Major.